Hey everybody, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 vehicles available for sale this week across North America. I've provided links below for each of these vehicles. As noted in the title and the thumbnail, today I'm announcing the winner of the MPC 1967 Pontiac GTO Model Kit. Once again, thank you all so much to everyone for getting this channel up to 1,300 subscribers, as well as the great response to this giveaway. The winner of the giveaway will be announced later in the video. Now, let's get to the vehicles for sale. Okay, so first up we have this 1975 Chevrolet Nova, listed for $12,000 US in Margate, Florida. It's been driven 58,534 miles, has an automatic transmission, exterior color is yellow, interior color is black, fuel type gasoline, 3+ owners, this vehicle is paid off, clean title, this vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description is as follows: 1975 Nova Custom by private owner with fresh 350 SBC and TH350 trans. Runs and drives without any issues. Installed new tank with fuel return line for a possible FI upgrade. Now being used as a vapor return line. Fuel lines rerouted and insulated and spacer installed to prevent vapor lock. Car is in great shape. Bought in Nevada while I was stationed in Fort Bliss. No rust, just needs a few things to finish. Price is negotiable. Don't offer anything without seeing the car. And next up, we have a 1953 Kaiser Manhattan sedan, listed for $12,500 US in Tampa, Florida. It's been driven 65,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, exterior color is blue, fuel type gasoline, only 2 owners. This vehicle is paid off. No seller details have been added for this vehicle. Up next, we have a 1964 Mercury Comet, listed for $12,995 US in Bridgeton, New Jersey. It's been driven 3,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, exterior color is red, interior color is black. This vehicle is paid off. Seller's description is as follows: trades welcome. Classic 1964 Mercury Comet, 350 small block with 3-speed automatic transmission. Has less than 3,000 miles on it. Sounds mean. Runs strong, been sitting for a few years in my garage, still starts right up, still could use a few things to finish it up. It is not a perfect restoration by any means, selling a few of my toys, but doesn't need much. Not in a rush, so please save the lowball offers. Rear air suspension, lots of new parts, too many to name. If you are serious, we can talk and make arrangements to see it. And here we have a 1970 Ford Mustang, listed for $15,000 US in Eden, North Carolina. It's been driven 25,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, exterior color is burgundy. Seller's description is as follows. 1970 Ford Mustang Coupe, driven 25,000 miles, 1970 Mustang for sale. All has been redone. Needs minor bodywork and paint. Lots done, ready to drive. And we've reached number 5, a 1958 Edsel Ranger 2-door hardtop, listed for $14,500 US in Darrington, Washington. It's been driven 123,456 miles, has an automatic transmission, exterior color is green, interior color is white. Seller's description is as follows. This is a very nice Edsel 2-door hardtop. It has new interior, a rebuilt 390, original teletouch transmission, along with power steering, new front suspension, new brakes, new dual exhaust. A good, solid car. I'm only selling it because I'm thinning my collection down. The car is for sale, not on sale. I don't need the money, so save your lowball offers. I really prefer phone calls, not text messages or messenger. Alright folks, it is time for the giveaway. I'm running a little bit behind. It's actually about 9:15 on Tuesday, January 9th, 2024. I know I said 9 p.m., but we're pretty close. So anyway, what we're going to do here, I have the studio set up with my video link, and I'm going to copy that. This is the link for the video from Sunday, where you were required to add the text Pontiac to comments. So I'm going to copy that, and we're going to go into a random comment picker. I'm going to paste that URL. We're going to fetch it. And for the filter, we're setting the keyword filter to Pontiac, as mentioned in that previous video. So there we go. That is set up. And let's see what we have. There are 19 comments. Now it's time to pick a winner. At Gary Slentsy 2796. Congratulations, you are the winner of the Pontiac GTO Model Kit. Please get in touch with me at mgguy@yahoo.com within the next 7 days, and we will arrange for delivery of the kit. And thank you all so much for joining in this. And again, congratulations to you, Gary. All right, now it's time to get back to the vehicles. All right, here we have a 1972 Porsche 914-4 listed for $13,500 US in Rotonda, West Florida. It's been driven 89,000 miles, has a manual transmission, exterior color is gray, interior color is black. Fuel type gasoline, 1 owner. Seller's description is as follows. 1972 Porsche 914-4 1.7 engine. If you're looking to get into a nice mid-engine air-cooled Porsche that's ready to drive and was built to be a driver, this might be for you. This has been a 4-year project for me. Now, I'm going to interject here for a second. The seller has listed a ton of things done to this car. Check out the listing via the link below for more information. Now we'll get back to some of the description. There is no radio. Heating ducts to cabin have been removed prior to me getting a vehicle. Just painted car in hot rod, Elatz, and Thrasite satin metal flake with red accents and rocker panels. Car starts and idles at 900 RPMs as it should. Rust-free, solid vehicle. Removable, target top, clear title, all gauges work. Odometer shows 89,000 miles and works, but TMU driven approximately 200 miles since engine teardown. Low mileage BF Goodrich tires. Feel free to text me with any questions or if you want additional info / pics or video of cold start. Alrighty, next up we have a 1950 Chevrolet Fleetline listed for $10,000 US in Everett, Washington. It's been driven 1,000 miles, has a manual transmission, exterior color is green, interior color is gray. 2 owners, this vehicle is paid off, clean title, this vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Seller's description is as follows. Cool 1950 Chevy Fleetline lowrider style with Wayne 6, OG tri-power with OG Offenhauser split manifold, does 80 miles per hour with just 1 carb live. Can run all 3, but with gas prices. This is a daily driver, 3 on the tree, new steering column and box. Brakes are good, drives down the freeway no problem, steers great, all lights work, wipers, etc. Cool paint, but has a few scratches. Catches eyes everywhere. Louvered hood, shaved doors, decked, fender skirts, good rails, needs newer carpeting and headliner. Clean title. So, up next, 1940 Dodge Luxury Liner, listed for $13,500 US in Cedar Grove, Wisconsin. It's been driven 59,668 miles, has a manual transmission, exterior color is green, interior color is tan, fuel type gasoline, very good condition, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. Now, seller's description. 1940 Dodge Luxury Liner D14, not an Avenger. 4-door sedan, runs good, original with straight 6-cylinder, new tires, no rust. Interior in great condition with no holes or tears in seats. An American classic. More pics to follow. Clean title. And here we have a 1959 Ford Galaxy 2-door hardtop, listed for $12,500 US in Lehigh Acres, Florida. It's been driven 67,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. Seller's description is as follows. Selling this beauty, part of the history, runs and drives good, power brakes, front disc brakes, new tires, new rims, new all window glass. Anybody looking for a cop car? Here we have a 1963 Plymouth Belvedere Sheriff's Car, listed for $6,500 US in Indianapolis, Indiana. It's been driven 51,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, exterior color is black, interior color is black, fuel type gasoline, 3+ owners. Unfortunately, seller has not added any details in the description. Alright everyone, that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons so you'll be notified when future videos go live. New videos do go live on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're really enjoying my content, I've also set up a channel membership. You can click the join button below or the link in the channel description and you'll have access to extra perks, including early access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.